documentary style group activity. Today we will explore three important topics that affect our daily lives: body mass index or BMI, stress management, and coping strategies.
This activity is all about understanding how our physical and mental health are connected and how our can take better care of ourselves.
We are divided into the three teams. Admit them. Okay.
Hi, we are the Body Mass Index Explorers and we will explain what BMI is. Body Mass Index. BMI is a measurement that uses a person's height and weight to determine if they are underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese.
Okay.
BMI calculation. Number 1. The formula for BMI is BMI equals weight plus height. Let's use a sample example. Height 1.65 meters, weight 60 kilograms. So BMI equals 60 divide 1.65 times 1.65. BMI equals 22.0.
Based on the BMI chart, the BMI of individual is classified as normal weight. Importance of healthy BMI. Maintaining healthy BMI is important because it helps reduce the risk of disease like heart problems, diabetes, and diabetes. It also supports mental health, improving self-esteem, mood, and energy levels. And that's why BMI matters.
Setting a circle holding stress scenario card. Hello, where the stress management strategies? We pick a stress scenario card and our scenario is example measure. Common physical sign stress include headache, fast heartbeat, sweating, and trouble sleeping. Emotional sign including anxiety, irritability, lack of focus, and feeling overwhelmed.
Here are 3 healthy stress management techniques. Number 1, deep breathing exercises helps calm the body and mind. 2, time blocking, organizing tasks to avoid cramming. 3, good sleep hygiene, sleeping on time and avoiding gadgets before bed. Number 3, these techniques help us manage stress before it becomes too much.
Today, we learned how BMI affects physical and mental health, how to recognize stress and manage into healthy ways, and how positive coping strategies can help us face challenges. Thank you for watching our documentary style presentation. Stay healthy, physical and mentally.